morning, student. How are you? Again, in this session, I am sending you exercise 1.2, and in this, I am sending you question number 2. Find LCM and HCF of the following integer. In this question, we will simply find the LCM using factor method. Okay, we will find the HCF and LCM using factor method, and we will find the prime factorization. We will take the common factor to find the HCF, and in LCM we will take the common factor one time and remaining factor all which are left out we will multiply to get the LCM. And then one step more in this question, verification. We have to use the formula HCF into LCM is equal to one number multiply other number, but one number multiply other number we write here product of two numbers. So you will write here HCF into LCM is equal to product of two number, and then you multiply, you will get left hand side equal to right hand side. Means in this question, firstly you have to find out the HCF and LCM and then verification. There are three part of these question, and you will do these three part with the same method. I have solved for you second part also, third part you will do yourself. It is your home assignment. Now question number 3, find LCM and HCF by prime factorization method. Now find LCM and HCF by prime factorization method. You will see there are three numbers and three numerals means 12, 15 and 21. Simply you will take the prime factor and choose the common factor, as in these common factor is 1 and 3. So your HCF is 3 and you have to find the LCM. Take 1 and 3 one time, remaining factor 2 into 2, 5 into 7. You will take all to get the LCM. This is only the simple question. And next is the question number 4. You have to find out the LCM using the formula. I have told you the formula is HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. When you have to find out LCM, you will divide product by HCF, and if you find the HCF, then you will divide product by LCM. Simple question is there. Now question number 5 is there. Check whether 6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. The question is only for 6 power n? No. It can be 7 power n, 9 power n, 5 power n, 3 power n. So many questions they can create. The method is same. We have to do step by step. If you see the exponent of 3 power n, 5 power n and 6 power n, 7 power n, means you will write 6 power n 10 times, 6 into 6 into 6. You will not get 0 at the unit place. The question is this key, whether you can get the 0 at the unit place. No. If we multiply 6 many times, we cannot get 0. If we get 0, then there will be two factor. If 6 power n is to end with the 0 for a natural number n, then it should be divisible by 2 and 5. It means the prime factorization of 6 power n should contain the prime factors or prime numbers 2 and 5. But it is not possible. It has two factor 2 and 3. Since 5 is not a prime factorization, so there is no natural number for n which 6 power n ends with the digit 0. So you have to write down step by step this question. And one more question is there. You have to prove that whether it is composite number or not. You can multiply all the numerals and then you can make the factorization. There are so many methods for this question, but you have to know that what are composite number. Composite numbers are the number which have more than two factors. So we have to know that ki composite numbers are those which have more than 2 factors. So we will multiply all the 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, again factorize, we will get more than 2 factor. And there are two part of this question. Similarly 6 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5, again you will multiply all the numeral plus 5, then see the factor, again you will get more than 2 factor. So hence we can prove that it is a composite number. And for the last question is a statement question. In this question we have to see whether we have to find out LCM and HCF, but this is a contradiction, or we can see the statement, read the statement 2 or 3 times, we will find out. In this question we have to find out how much time the two girls will take, means how much time means minimum time, not maximum time. कि कम से कम minimum time, least time we have to find out कि they will meet again. Only the two simple digits are there, 12 and 18, and we have to find out the LCM.